Welcome to Vietlingo. Learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. My name is Thanh Huyền, a Vietnamese teacher at Vietlingo. Have you ever stuck trying to say the simple word or? In English, it's only one word, but in Vietnamese, we have two common ways to say it, and they aren't interchangeable. Using the wrong one can make your sentence sound a little unnatural, but don't worry, today we're going to clear up all the confusions so you can use them perfectly in everyday conversation, whether you are ordering food or making plans with friends.
Tối nay đi ăn phở hay bún chả nhỉ? Ừ, ăn gì cũng được, hoặc là mình có thể ăn xôi. Thế cậu muốn uống trà đá hay trà chanh? Mình uống trà chanh, cậu gọi đồ đi.
See how or was used differently in that chat. That's exactly what we are learning today. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently choose between the two words for or, hoặc, and hay and use them correctly in both questions and statement. This will make your Vietnamese sound much more natural. Alright, let's break down our two important words for today. The main rule is simple. Hay is for questions, hoặc is for statement. Let's look at them one by one. Hay is the word you will use for or when you're asking a questions that present a choice. Cuối tuần này, cậu muốn đi xem phim hay đi cà phê? Here, you're asking a friend to choose between two activities for the weekend. Is a classic choice by questions. This weekend, do you want to go to the cinema or go for a coffee? Another example. Cái áo này màu xanh hay màu đen đẹp hơn? You're shopping and asking for an opinion on which color looks better. Hay connects the two choices you are presenting. Which is nicer, the shirt in blue or black? Em bé là con trai hay con gái vậy ạ? This is a common and polite way to ask about a baby gender. Hay is essential for posing the two options. Is the baby a boy or a girl? No, for hoặc, you use word for or when you're making a statement, not asking a questions. It states possibilities or alternatives. For example, nếu trời mưa, bọn mình có thể ở nhà xem TV hoặc đọc sách. This is a statement about possible plans. You aren't asking, you're stating the options. If it's rain, we can stay home and watch TV or read books. Sentence 2. Anh có thể thanh toán bằng tiền mặt hoặc thẻ. A cashier might say this to you. It's a statement informing you of your payment options. You can pay with cash or with card. A third sentence. Thứ bảy hoặc chủ nhật thì mình đều rảnh. You are telling a friend your availability. You're starting that both days are option for you. I'm free on Saturday or Sunday. Why this rule is strong? You might occasionally hear young people use hay in statement colloquially, but as a learner, sticking to hay for questions and hoặc for statement is the clearest and most correct way to speak. Okay, let's see what you have learned. Time for a little practice. The first activity, fill in the blank with the correct word. Hay or hoặc. Anh thích uống cà phê sữa. Cà phê đen. 2. Tôi sẽ đi du lịch vào tháng 5. Tháng 6. 3. Cậu đến bằng xe buýt. Xe máy. Okay, let's move on. Activity 2. Quick translation. How would you say this in Northern Vietnamese? 1. Do you want to eat rice or noodles? 2. On my day off, I usually clean the house or go to the supermarket. Third activity, comprehensions, based on the dialogue at the start of the lesson.
Tối nay đi ăn phở hay bún chả nhỉ? Ừ, ăn gì cũng được, hoặc là mình có thể ăn xôi. Thế cậu muốn uống trà đá hay trà chanh? Mình uống trà chanh, cậu gọi đồ đi.
What two food options did Ming first suggest? What did Anne say they could eat instead? Great job, everyone. So let's recap. It's pretty simple, right? You hay when you are asking a question with choice and use hoặc when you are making a statement with alternatives. That's the key takeaway for today. Practice this with your friends or teacher today. Try asking them a question using hay. You get the hang of it in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Vietnamese lesson from Vietlingo. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cảm ơn. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.